Hello everyone, my name is Barbara. I'm the owner of Spanish for Kiddos, and today I want to share this fun bilingual story, Thanksgiving, Día de Acción de Gracias, a bilingual story. And you can find this and many other great stories in our exclusive member area for language learners. So make sure to check that out. It has tons of modules and lessons along with similar stories like this for the holidays, and not just for the holidays, but for other standards if you're looking for specific standard lessons or reading in regards to that. So let's get started. Thanksgiving, Día de Acción de Gracias. In a forest far away, there was a turkey that delivered pumpkins for Thanksgiving. He gives pumpkins to all his friends. En un bosque muy lejano había un pavo que repartía calabazas para el Día de Acción de Gracias. Él da calabazas a todos sus amigos. Vroom, vroom, the little turkey takes the truck to deliver pumpkins. Vroom, vroom, el pequeño pavo toma la camioneta para entregar las calabazas. The first stop is his friend the hedgehog. May I leave this pumpkin with you? The little turkey asked. Of course, thank you, the hedgehog said. La primera parada es su amigo el erizo. ¿Te puedo dejar esta calabaza contigo? El pequeño pavo le preguntó. Por supuesto, gracias, el erizo dijo. After the little turkey delivered another pumpkin to his friend the deer. Thank you, the little deer said. Después, el pequeño pavo le entrega otra calabaza a su amigo el ciervo. Gracias, el pequeño ciervo dijo. The little turkey goes from friend to friend delivering pumpkins. His friend bear was very thankful. El pequeño pavo va de amigo a amigo entregando calabazas. Su amigo el oso estaba muy agradecido. Next, the squirrel was thankful to have a pumpkin and acorns. She knows winter is coming. These will come in handy. Luego la ardilla estaba agradecida por tener una calabaza y bellotas. Ella sabe que el invierno está por llegar. Estos vendrán muy útiles. The last stop was a wise owl. Thank you, the owl said. Happy Thanksgiving, the little turkey said. After all, he was excited and tired from delivering pumpkins. La última parada era el sabio búho. Gracias, el búho dijo. Feliz Día de Acción de Gracias, el pequeño pavo dijo. Después de todo, él estaba emocionado y cansado de entregar calabazas. The end, el fin. So I hope you enjoy that fun story. I think it's really, really great to just get kiddos started with what Thanksgiving is. And if you have a lesson for how to be thankful, and how to grade these cute little turkeys, that's a great way to do that as well. So make sure you check out our blog post, and to check out the exclusive member area for language learners is a great way to get started with holidays and everything in there as well. Make sure you check out the post. I talk about a lot about how to incorporate maybe some vocabulary, how to start using maybe some Spanish lettering such as these if you are interested in checking that out. Thank you so much everyone for joining me today, and I hope you have very happy holidays. Bye-bye everyone.